Have you ever wondered how much your dental health influences your overall well-being? Well, it's time to sink your teeth into the truth. Dental health is a critical, often overlooked facet of our overall health. It's not just about flashing a bright, confident smile. It goes beyond the surface. When our dental health is compromised, it can lead to common problems like cavities and gum disease. These may seem trivial, but if left untreated, they can escalate to more serious conditions, such as tooth loss and even heart disease. Yes, the state of your mouth can impact your heart. Poor dental health can also affect your digestion and contribute to conditions like diabetes and Alzheimer's. Remember, your mouth is the gateway to your body, a window that often reflects what's going on inside. So, it's not just about maintaining a dazzling smile or avoiding bad breath. It's about safeguarding your overall health and wellness. Now that we understand the significance of dental health, you might wonder, how can I improve mine? The first step towards excellent dental health begins with proper brushing and flossing. Let's delve into the how-tos of these fundamental practices. Starting off with brushing, it's not merely about scrubbing your teeth, it's about using the right technique. Hold your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to your gums and gently move it back and forth in short strokes. Broadly speaking, brush the outer surfaces, the inner surfaces, and the chewing surfaces of your teeth. And let's not forget about cleaning the inner surfaces of your front teeth. For that, tilt the brush vertically and make several up and down strokes. Now let's talk about flossing. It's not a chore, but an essential part of dental care that reaches the tight spaces between the teeth and under the gum line. Gently guide the floss between your teeth using a back and forth motion. Curve it into a C shape against one tooth and slide it into the space between the gum and the tooth. Moving on, it's important to use a fluoride toothpaste. Fluoride not only fights cavities, but also strengthens tooth enamel. The quality of your toothbrush also matters. Choose one that fits comfortably in your mouth and has soft bristles. Remember to replace your toothbrush every 3 months or sooner if the bristles fray. A worn-out toothbrush won't do a good job of cleaning your teeth. Remember, brushing and flossing twice a day keeps the dentist away. How often do you visit your dentist? Once a year, twice a year, or only when you have a toothache? Let's talk about the importance of regular dental checkups. You see, these visits aren't just for cleanings or for when you're in pain. They're an opportunity for your dentist to take a closer look at your oral health. Remember, your dentist is trained to spot potential issues that you might not even realize are brewing. Think of it like a car inspection. You might not notice a small leak in the brake fluid, but a mechanic would. Similarly, your dentist can detect early signs of tooth decay, gum disease, or even oral cancer. Catching these issues early can save you from discomfort, pain, and even more serious health complications down the line. Regular checkups are also a chance for your dentist to provide personalized advice on improving your dental health. So make an appointment with your dentist every 6 months, not just when there's a problem. What you put in your mouth directly affects your dental health, so what should you eat? Well, let's start with the essentials. Your teeth and gums thrive on calcium and vitamin D. Dairy products such as milk and cheese are packed with these nutrients. If you're lactose intolerant or vegan, no worries. Foods like broccoli, oranges, and almonds are also great sources of calcium, while sunlight, fatty fish, or fortified foods can help you get your daily dose of vitamin D. Now let's talk about the villains in our food story: sugar and acid. They might taste delightful, but they are not your teeth's best friends. They can lead to tooth decay, cavities, and even gum disease. Sugary foods and drinks like candy, soda, and even some types of fruit juice can be harmful if consumed excessively. But here's the thing. You don't have to completely eliminate sugar from your diet. The key is moderation. Try to limit your intake of sugary treats to special occasions, and opt for water instead of sugary drinks whenever possible. It's also a good idea to rinse your mouth with water after meals. This can help wash away any leftover food particles and neutralize acids, protecting your teeth from damage. Remember, a balanced diet is not just good for your body, but also your teeth. So, let's nourish our bodies and smiles with the right foods. Because when it comes to dental health, you truly are what you eat. Did you know that your lifestyle choices can also affect your dental health? It's true. Let's talk about tobacco first. It's a major culprit behind gum disease, a condition that can lead to tooth loss. Moreover, tobacco use significantly increases the risk of oral cancer, a disease that can be life-threatening. Now, what about alcohol? You may enjoy a glass of wine or a cold beer, but remember, everything in moderation. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to a dry mouth, which creates a perfect environment for harmful bacteria to thrive. It can also cause tooth decay and erosion, as many alcoholic beverages are high in sugar and acidity. And let's not forget, alcohol can contribute to oral cancer too. So it's not just about avoiding cavities or maintaining fresh breath, it's about preserving your overall oral health and potentially your life. So if you want a healthy smile, say no to tobacco and limit your alcohol intake. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today about enhancing our dental health. We've delved into the importance of proper brushing and flossing. Remember, these aren't just daily routines, but they're your first line of defense against dental issues. And let's not forget those regular dental checkups, which are crucial for catching any potential problems early on. We also talked about the role of a balanced diet in dental health. Consuming a variety of foods from all food groups can help ensure that your teeth and gums are getting the nutrients they need. And of course, we discussed the need to avoid tobacco and limit alcohol, as these substances can have a detrimental effect on your oral health. With these simple steps, you can improve your dental health and keep that beautiful smile of yours. Remember, your dental health is a reflection of your overall health. So, take care of your teeth, and they will take care of you.